Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the visual effects design in that visual effect techniques. What is visual effect techniques? Visual effect techniques is a powerful tool which is used in today's movies and videos. Moreover, the filmmakers using and mixing the real world with video with the computer made, that is computer generated imaginary objects like animated characters, vehicles, buildings or explosion. To making the real look, we are using the computer generated that moves and match the real camera. This is called 3D tracking and matching movies. Mostly it is coming under natural together. The next is the 3D tracking. It is a technique or a way we are using the film with the real scene. Once we are using the objects in the video that look like real always there. The next is a type of 3D tracking. In that we are having three types of tracking. The first one is camera tracking. This is nothing but the camera, whenever the camera is moved up, down, left and right or zoom, we need to add it or we need to want something spaceship or building the background with very useful insight. Next is object tracking. This mostly come under the objects wherever we are moving, we need to track that objects, that will be come under the object tracking. For example, if you need to want to add effects for the ball like glowing or firing, we need to give the object tracking for that particular objects. The next is motion capture. This is nothing but it tracks the motion of a people, which is special shoots or sensor. We need to fix some sensors or special shoot for the people for finding the real expressions, real actions for that particular person. This is maximum used in the animated movies with the digital characters that act as a real human or creatures. Next is steps in 3D tracking. We are having three types of steps. First one is feature detection. The software picks out the small details in the video like corner of the windows or marker of the floor to track it. Next is solving camera motion. This is nothing but it point out the motion which is come under according to the 3D tracking. Next is point cloud generation scene alignment. It is a 3D version of the scene that create a point showing with where there is things with the space. Next is why we are using 3D tracking. 3D tracking is mostly we are using only for looking real life imaginary world according to the computer generated imaginary. Next is 3D matching movies. 3D matching movies is nothing but it is used for it is a technique which is used to align the computer generated imaginary according to the camera moves. Whenever we are using or whenever we are moving the camera up, right, left and right or zoom, we need to classify the objects move according to the objects move or according to the motion proper only. We need to find the virtual objects with the camera movement. Moreover, we are using the 3D matching movies according to the film scene. Next is example, if you need a computer generated robot walking down or matching with the movies, we need to correctly base the camera motion to the robot according to the realistic. The next is difference between the 2D and 3D matching movies. We are having features 2D matching moving, 3D matching movies. The first one is future. First we need to find the difference between what is 2D matching movie and 3D matching movies. 2D matching movies is like a passing a sticker on the screen. It does not follow depth or angle. But 3D matching movies is mostly come under the toy in a real room, or filming the toy according to the look like a real from the accurate right angle. This is the difference between the 2D and 3D. 2D is just fixing a person or fixing an image or fixing a sticker in a particular movie. But 3D is not only fixing a person or fixing a movie. Moreover, it according to the angle we are using or we are viewing the particular toy or a person or a sticker. According to every angle we are looking at a very neat information. The first one is tracking point, that is a motion type. Tracking point according to the 2D matching movie, it mostly planar motion, but in the 3D matching movies it's a full of 3D motion. That is 2D we need to see only according to the straight angle or according to the straight position, but in the 3D matching movie we can see in the 360-degree angle, or we can move according to the 3D motion. Next is application. Whenever we are using application, the UI overlays, simple compositing. The second one is complex CGI integration. The application is your user interface. Just we can overlays the user interface, but we can use only simple changes, not little bit more changes. But in 3D matching movies we can use the computer generated imaginary according to the complex integration. That is we can solve the complex or integration according to the 3D matching movies. Next is accuracy. Then according to the 2D matching movies, it depends upon the limited tracking. It not overlay the tracking. The second one is 3D matching movies is we can in depth we can see the motion according to the depth, and we can align the motion of an object in between, or in depthly we can do every corrections and everything.